Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our first 2012 presidential debate, where President Obama and Governor Romney will have 2 minutes each to respond to my questions. Governor Romney, do you believe in a woman's right to choose?
Absolutely. Every woman should have the right to choose what happens to her own body.
Your position in the past has been pro-life.
My position has never been pro-life. You are hearing things that are not being said?
Governor Romney, is it true that you plan to give more tax breaks to the wealthy?
No. I will give tax breaks to the middle class, the backbone of America. I believe it's time the wealthy pay their fair share.
That is not the platform from which you have been preaching these past 18 months. Who are you, anyway? I do not even recognize you as the person I'm supposed to be debating.
Are we having fun yet?
President Obama, what is your position on tax breaks?
Look. I am confused and shocked at this man. Governor Romney has completely flip-flopped on these very important matters.
Now there you go again, President Obama.
Not only will you say anything just to get elected, but you have shown that you will even steal and use my lines.
What on earth are you talking about? Is everything okay at home?
I'm the one who will be giving tax breaks to the middle class, the backbone of America. I'm the one who has been saying that it's time the wealthy pay their fair share.
Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Your choices for President of the United States of America.